Hey friends, welcome back. This is Ann, author of hiddenfarmlife.com. Today we are making my famous nachos, homemade nachos. Quick and easy, ready in no time for any weeknight meal, so stay tuned. Okay, first up I am going to brown a pound of hamburger. I've used less, I've used more. You know, I always use about a pound for 5 people. I'm gonna brown this up, and then once it is a little bit browner than this, I'm going to add some chopped onion to this. Now that the meat is a little bit browner and cooked a little bit more, I've added 1 chopped medium onion. You can add more, you can add less. Again, my recipes are usually very, very versatile. You can gear it towards your family and your flavors and desires. I like to have a base recipe to go off of. So I'm gonna continue to cook this until the meat is completely cooked, no more pink, and the onions are translucent and soft. You can see how the meat has cooked more and the onions are pretty much translucent. I'm going to add a 4-ounce can of mild green chilies, and these are the ones I get at Aldi. You can find that in my grocery hauls. And I like to use my homemade seasoning, taco seasoning, but this is for a quick weeknight and I've run out of my homemade stuff. So I'm going to use a package of Aldi's low sodium taco seasoning, and I'm gonna add that into the pan and get things mixed up. Now that the beef and onion mixture is cooked, we have the seasonings in there and the green chilies. I've turned this off, and all that's left to do is assemble. I've made a layer of, these are multi-grain chips from Aldi. You can use whatever your favorite is. Sometimes I use a lime chip, but this is what I have from my most recent grocery haul. So I'm gonna start by putting a layer of chips down, and then I'm just going to get a scoop of the beef mixture and then just generously portion that around, making sure all the layers of chips have a little bit of beef. And then I'm going to take, this is 8 ounces, believe it or not. Look how much cheese is here. I've shredded this myself, and when you shred it yourself, it goes long. It makes more, I think, than buying pre-shredded cheese. But this is 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, and I'm just going to spread this around. We like it cheesy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there. And then I'm going to add some chopped green onion for a little bit of crunch, and not necessarily pepperiness, but it adds a little bit of fresh flavor. And then I'm just going to keep repeating these layers until I have used up all of my beef mixture. So I'll come back when that's done. Once you finish up with your layers, the top layer with another thing of cheese, sprinkle of cheese and the green onions. I did end up using about 12 ounces of cheese because, like I said, we like it cheesy. You can use more or less, whatever you like. I'm gonna pop this pan into a 350-degree oven until the cheese is nice and golden and bubbly. Here are the nachos, fresh and hot out of the oven. Got a little crispy on some of these bits, which is what we like, nice and golden brown. I'll be quiet for a minute. Can you hear the sizzle? I'm gonna let these cool off, and then I will serve up a plate. So I just wanted to go over really quickly how you could stretch your budget and make 1 pound of hamburger feed a family of 5. For us, this pan of nachos, if our one daughter was home from school and all 5 of us were eating, this would serve us a hearty dinner tonight and leftovers for at least 3, if not 4 of us for tomorrow. So let's do the breakdown. The 2 bags of chips, they were $1.99 each for a total of $3.98. The chilies are 78 cents for 1 can. The package of taco seasoning is 45 cents. Green onions for a package or a bunch, whatever you want to call it, is 85 cents. 2 8-ounce blocks of cheese is $3.98. They're $1.99 each. And a pound of hamburger we buy from butchers, so I'm not really sure how much it is, but I believe the going rate is about $6 a pound for grass-fed, grass-finished beef, so I factored that in. And then a bag of onions is $1.89, and I only used 1, so I'm gonna roughly estimate it at 27 cents for the onion. That is a total of $16.31. $16.31 to feed a family of 5 dinner and leftovers. And that, now that is without sour cream, salsa, you know, olives, all the fixins. But if you just wanted this dinner right now as is, it's $16.31. You can't beat that, and it was so quick. I think I did this in about a half an hour. I mean, you have to chop and shred cheese, but you can even cut corners by buying pre-shredded cheese if that's your thing. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but I just wanted to share this with you guys because it is so good and so easy, and it's a way to feed your family on a budget. So here we have mine. I have red and green salsa, salsa verde, sour cream, and some black olives. Enjoy, everybody. Thanks for watching. And if you try this, let us know in the comments below what you think. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.